Hi, it's Tamara here from the EFT Training Centre, and I'm back again for my daily tapping video to release some stress, anxiety and overwhelm about the coronavirus. So today we're going to be talking about releasing fear, about the vulnerability of our loved ones. Both my parents are in their 70s, so they fall into the vulnerable category. And I already know two people who sadly have died from the virus. And so it really does impact us all. Now, the thing about this pandemic is that a certain percentage of people have the virus, not all of us. But what is true is that almost everyone, I would say 99 to 100% of the population, are consumed by the fear virus. And also, we have tapping. Now, I would like to make tapping an even bigger virus than the fear virus. So if you are watching this right now, please do click share so that other people can benefit from this fantastic tool and release their fear, boost their immunity and feel better all round. So now we're going to be doing some tapping on fear about our loved ones. So if you haven't done EFT before, it stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques. It's like acupuncture for emotions without the use of needles. And the invitation is to do what I do or say what I say. And if you don't like what I do or say, then simply don't do it. But if you tap along with me, you agree to take responsibility for your own well-being. So if you haven't already washed your hands or sanitized your hands, please pause the video and do that, because we are going to be touching our faces. So just do what I do and say what I say. So even though I'm worried about my loved ones, about my parents, my siblings, my friends, other members of the family, and I acknowledge this worry, and I deeply and completely accept myself and these fears for my loved ones, worry for my loved ones, anxiety that they'll get ill, anxiety that they won't be able to cope, anxiety that they're living on their own, anxiety that they're vulnerable and susceptible, scared that something bad will happen to them, scared that they might die. All of these fears, all of these worries, all of these anxieties. It's okay to feel that now. It's okay to bring those emotions up to the surface so that I can start releasing them and letting them go. By pushing them down, I'm just burying them, but they're still affecting me. By allowing myself to feel them, I can acknowledge them fully. These fears and anxieties and worries are only energy, and energy can move. So just notice now, get a sense of where in your body you're feeling those fears, worries and anxieties for your loved ones. And if you're not sure, just guess. So notice where you feel them. And just if there was a colour in that part of your body, what colour would that be where you're feeling the fear, the anxiety and the worry? So let's just say it was green anxiety in my chest, then I would ask you if there was a colour that could lift and lighten that green anxiety, that green sensation in your chest, what colour would that be? And just tune into that colour now. So now imagine, visualize or get a sense that that new colour is mixing and merging with the old colour and lifting and lightening it. And take a deep breath in. And now tuning into the colour that's in that part of your body where you're holding the anxiety or the worry or the fear. And tune into that colour now in that part of your body and just see what colour it is now. It might be the same, it might be a mixture of colours, it might be a new colour. Whatever it is, just imagine, visualise or get a sense now. What colour would be needed in order to lift and lighten the colour that's there now? So let's say there's a mix of green and red, and the colour that would lift and lighten it would be blue. Then imagine or visualise that the new colour is mixing and merging with the old colour, with the existing colour, and lifting and lightening it. And take a deep breath in. And what you can do, you can actually imagine, visualise or get a sense of repeating this colour sequence and finding another colour that would lift and lighten what's there, and another colour that would lift and lighten what's there. And keep repeating this process until the colour that is in that part of your body is a colour that you feel really good about. And then you can tune back into how you feel about that emotion, the anxiety, worry and fear. And just say, releasing some of that now. Releasing some of that anxiety now. Releasing some of that fear now. Releasing some of that worry now. And releasing a little bit more. My worry about my loved ones is not serving me, and it's not serving them. And the more I can let go of that, the better I'll be able to support them from a place of strength and clarity and love, and love without fear. So I'm open to the possibility of releasing a little bit more of this fear and anxiety, so that I can bring to my mind new focus about how I can practically and emotionally support them, to help them, to make their life easier, or what practical action I can put in place for them. I'm open to the possibility of infusing more calm and peace into every cell of my body. And I'm sending my loved ones strength and courage and strong immune systems and vibrant health and joy and connection and love. Sending them the ability to trust themselves and trust their body. Sending them even more super immunity and vibrant health. Sending those wonderful qualities to all the people who are more vulnerable, the older people, the ones with existing health conditions, the ones who are suffering with mental health, maybe on their own. Sending all of the people, all of these wonderful qualities, more love, more trust in their ability to cope, more strength, more courage, more resilience, more vibrant health energy, more super immunity for all of them, for my loved ones, for me, for you, and for all of us. And put your hands in the center of your chest and say transform, and take a deep breath. Transform. So if you've enjoyed this video, please do hit the share button so that more people can benefit from this fantastic tool. I'm making videos every single day, so do check out my playlist, and I've got it also on YouTube so that you can share it with people who aren't on social media. In the meantime, have an amazing day, stay strong, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.